got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, hold on. Bubby, no, no.
Is this encouraging him? Because it
Bubby,
feels like
no.
it is.
No, no. Aiden! No, no. No, no. No, no. That's hilarious. Aiden, no, son. No, no. No, no. No, no.
No, this definitely comes from... We were not like this as kids.
That's what we always said. Christopher
Bubby.
Yeah.
Bubby.
That's not very good.
Absolutely not. No.
Yeah. He's pretty efficient at it too, isn't he?
You gotta just buy 2 or 3 of those, bring them home, and you can just smack them off.
He was saying, oh, no.
Oh, he threw one at Caitlin pretty hard. Oh, twice.
Watch out. You're in the line of fire, honey.
You see how hard he hits? Rylan, tell Aiden to stop. Say, you stop it, brother.
He goes down here. And blue right there. No. No.
Yeah, just that one.
No.